If every volcano on Earth were to erupt at the same time, the consequences would be catastrophic. The Earth's atmosphere would be filled with ash, dust, and volcanic gases, leading to a sudden drop in temperature. This phenomenon is known as a volcanic winter, and it can have severe effects on our climate. Volcanic winters can last for months or even years. The decreased sunlight and lower temperatures would disrupt ecosystems, disrupt agriculture, and potentially lead to widespread food shortages. Additionally, the massive release of sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere can lead to the formation of sulfuric acid aerosols, which could have devastating effects on our respiratory systems and the environment.